සැප්තැම්බර් 22 සහ 23.
On the 22nd and 23rd of September 2023, former President Ranil Wickremesinghe visited the UK on a private trip, travelling to Wolverhampton and London. He was accompanied by a delegation of 10 including his wife, Senaratne Dissanayake, Sandra Pereira, a doctor, security and an advanced security team. The funds for this trip were requested by the London High Commission, marked as most urgent and strictly confidential.
London High Commission එකෙන් ඉල්ලලා වෙලා තියෙනවා මොකක්ද 2023 අගෝස්තු 17 most urgent strictly confidential ඒක තියෙනවා. It would be appreciated if urgent approval and allocation could be granted for the expenditure of 39,345 sterling pounds to the visit. In addition to the above, the mission would appreciate urgent approval and allocation from the Ministry for 1,680 sterlings as reservation for accommodation for Chief of Protocol and accompanying protocol officer in London. මේ විදියට පෞද්ගලික සංචාරයක්.
Although the trip initially began as a private visit, it ultimately cost around £40,000, approximately 16.2 million rupees, on the 12th of September 2023. Now, we have received a letter amended to describe it as an official program. How did a private trip turn into an official one? The expenses of this trip, including the £40,000 in cost, are highly questionable. The Ferrari has already met with an accident. We have heard that a statement regarding Batalanda will be made tomorrow. This raises serious concerns. How were these funds spent? We are calling on the officials at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, including the Minister, to conduct a thorough investigation. The former president should be ashamed. This is the same country he drove into bankruptcy. Yet, he spent taxpayer money on his private trip. £2,000 was paid for the services of his butler. We have the bills.
තමන්ගේ පෞද්ගලික සංචාරයකට බට්ලර්ට ගෙවනවා for 2 days £2,000. මේ බිල් තියෙනවා බට්ලර්ට ගෙවනවා £2,000 for 2 days.